Hi children, today we are going to see the second exercise of chapter linear equation. So here in the first equation you solved to find the value of x in the same manner, but here they have not given any equation. Instead they have given a sentence statement. See, what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. So they have given a statement. From that you have to write one equation and then solve the value of x. So in the equation you'll be having one x. Okay, so that's what you're going to find. Now let me read the question once again. What should be added? So to one number, so let me take the number as x. So to this x, what should be added twice the rational number? See, what should be added? So x is that number which is going to be added to the twice the rational number minus 7 by 3. Twice means what should be added? So some value, that let me take as x. So some number should be added to the twice means 2 times of. Twice means 2 times of minus 7 by 3 to get. To get means the answer is 3. Sorry, to get means the answer. So the answer is 3 by 7. Clear? See, what should be added? So something should be added. Something should be added to twice the rational number. Twice means 2 into double the number. Twice means 2 times. So 2 into minus 7 by 3 to get means answer. So you should know the basic thing, that is sum means addition. Sum means addition. And difference means subtraction. And product means multiplication. Clear? In the word problems they used to use these words: sum, difference, product, and to get. To get means equal. To get means equal. Clear, children? Okay. See, let me read the question once again. What should be added? So some number should be added to twice the rational number. Twice means 2 times. 2 times a rational number minus 7 by 3. So 2 into minus 7 by 3 to get equal to 3 by 7. Now you have to find the value of x. So x plus into minus is minus 2 sevens are 14 by 3, which is equal to 3 by 7. Now to find the value of x is equal to, you are going to transpose this minus 14 by 3 to the right hand side. So that will become 3 by 7. When you transpose minus 14 by 3 to the right hand side, that will become plus 14 by 3. Clear? Now you have to take LCM. So x is equal to, what is the LCM for 7 and 3? Both are the multiples of different number. So the LCM will be 21. If you don't know, go for the LCM. 7, 3. 7 ones are 3. Then 3 ones are 7 3s are 21 is the LCM. So to get 21, what should be multiplied with 7? 3 should be multiplied. So you'll 3. So 3 3s are 9. You'll be getting here 9. And here 7 into 14. That is 7 4s are 28. 2 carry and 7 ones are 7. So 98. So x is equal to 98 plus 9. What is 98 plus 9? 9 plus 8 is 17. Then carry 1. So you'll be getting 10. Clear? 9, 17. Then 10 divided. That is 107 divided by 21 is the answer. Clear, children? This is the first answer. And next, coming to the second question. The perimeter, the same, see, this you are solving in the same manner as we did in the exercise 1. Only from the statement you are going to write the equation and then you are going to find the value of x, that's all. Same way in all the sums. Only to form the equation you need to read this 3-4 times and understand properly and write this one. That's all. And coming to the next question, the perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeter and its width is 3 by 4 centimeter. Find its length. See, you should know the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B is the perimeter of the rectangle, because in a rectangle you have 2 length and 2 breadth, right? Perimeter means boundary, so 2 length plus 2 breadth, that is 2 into L plus B. Here what is given is the perimeter of a rectangle is given, the perimeter, the whole sum, the perimeter is given as 13 centimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 13 and its width is given. Width means breadth is given, right? You have to find the length. So 2 into L you have to find. Width is 3 by 4. So 13 is equal to 2 into L plus, first convert this mixer into improper, that is 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 by 4. Okay, now 13 is equal to, multiply 2 into L is 2L plus 2 into 11 is 22 divided by 4. Clear? Now you need only the value of length. So you bring this 22 divided by 4 transposing to the left hand side. So 13, this is in the plus, so you will get minus 22 divided by 4 is equal to 2L. So see, this in the multiplication and division, in this 22 by 4, so you can cancel 2 2s are 2 11s are, then you will be getting 13 minus 11 divided by 2 is equal to 2L. So here the denominator is 1, so now the LCM is 2 for both the cases. So you will be getting 2 means 26 minus 11 divided by 2, which is equal to 2L. So the answer is 26 minus 11 is 15 by 2 is equal to 2L. So you need only the value of L. You need only the value of L. So L is equal to 15 divided by 2. Now the L is in the multiplication. If it comes to the left hand side, that will become into the that is the division. So 2 into 2. Before the L was with the 2 was with the L in the multiplication. If it goes to the another side transposing, that will come to the division. So already there is 1 2. So if you multiply 1 more 2, you will get 2 2s are 4. So L is equal to 15 divided by 4. Clear, children? Thank you.